Do you realize that your broker could be affecting your own trading approach? Mr. Ravi and Mrs. Sheila Batra figured it out in their kitchen. They used to get a jar of milk every week on their doorstep. One day, Ravi was helping Sheila in the kitchen.
Ravi, if I mix these two jars, both the milks could get sour since this one is already 1 week old. Would it be okay if I made you some buttermilk or curd with the older milk?
Immediately, a light bulb lit up in Ravi's mind.
Our broker is mixing our stocks and giving us a false sense of loss.
What do you mean?
Just like these two jars, I bought 50 shares of this company last week at 160 rupees each, but the price dropped, and I bought another 100 shares this week at 100 rupees each. I now have 2 batches of shares. This morning I was excited because the price had risen to 110 rupees, but as I checked our portfolio it showed that we have a 8.33% loss since our average purchase price is 120.
Oh really?
But in reality, we're making a profit on the second batch. I should sell some from that batch and book a profit. I could then buy more shares, rather than wait for the price to cross 120.
But, how did this happen?
The broker mixed the batches, leading to a false sense of loss. I need to find a broker who won't mix stocks like this.
I see. Have you checked out Dozen Diamonds? I heard from Jody that they pay attention to investor psychology, where Dozen Diamonds provide stressless trading, no wrestling, and better decisions.
Please visit dozendiamonds.com for healthy and happy investing.